The second question, the given point is AB equals CD arcs. Now we are supposed to prove that angle A equals to angle B. For that, this being given, we add this part BC so that we get AC and BD from that. And now, since these two AC and BD, arc AC equals arc BD, therefore if arcs of the circle are congruent, then the corresponding chords are equal. Therefore we have AC equals to BD, and when AC and BD, now subsequent to these chords, now we have angle AOC equals angle BOC because BOD, because equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. Now for triangle AOC and BOD, we have a congruency. OB equals OA and OC equals OD because they are radii of the circle, and just now we have arrived at this angle, and therefore by SAS congruency we have these two as congruent, and therefore from that congruency we can arrive at A equals to B angles by CPCT, hence proved. Question number 5. 4 chords have been given to be equal. This equals this and this. Now we are supposed to prove that this AD is equal to BE, this chord. These two chords need be proved to be equal. For that, basically AD means AB plus BC plus CD forms AD, and BC plus CD plus DE forms BE. And for that, to achieve this, we know that all these chords are equal, therefore their corresponding arcs are also equal, and we know that to obtain ABCD, this is the combination of arcs, and this means it is AD, and this is BE, combination of these arcs. Now it has been, by Euclid's axiom, we know that when equals are added to equals, the wholes will be equal. Therefore now we are adding some equals, and there obviously these two will be equal, and therefore arc AD equals arc BD. Now if we two arcs of the circle are equal, then the corresponding chords of the circle are equal, therefore AD equals to B, hence proved.